Right. Okay, very good morning to all of you. So last class we completed sine 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees, and again we completed sine 75 degrees, sine cos 75 degrees, tan 75 degrees. These values we completed. So it is completely depending on cos of x plus y, sin of x plus y, tan of x plus y. So based on that formulas we completed. Again you see exercise 3.3, some questions 3.3 based on this table, values table and formulas. Exercise 3.3, exercise 3.3. First question, prove that first one, sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4, it is equal to minus 1 by 2. You are going to prove that minus 1 by 2. So take that LHS value, sin square pi by 6, sin square, so you take pi is equal to 180 degrees. So first of all here pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. So that is your choice. So here angles given in radians. So all angles you converted into degrees, then you apply, then you substitute values. That is one process. Otherwise you know the values of this one, you can substitute directly and simplify. So for deep simplification I will take angles only. So pi by 180 degrees divided by 6 plus cos square 180 degrees divided by 3 minus tan square 180 degrees divided by 4. So for our convenience, so all values I converted into degrees. So this is 180 by 6 means 30 degrees. Cos square 180 degrees divided by 3 means 60 degrees minus tan square 180 divided by 4 means 45 degrees. So if you know the values of pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 4, you substitute directly and simplify. Now substitute the values. Sin 30 1 by 2 whole square. So square is there as it is written. Cos 60 root 3 1 by 2 whole square minus tan 45 1, so 1 square. So this is 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus 1 by minus 1. So 1 by 4, you take LCM. LC means 4. So 4 how many times? Only 1 time. 1 plus. Here 4 how many times? Only 1 time. So here 1 is how many times? 4 times. So solution is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 1. You took LCM is 4. Then simplification. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Divided by 4. Simplified. Minus 1 by 2 is your answer. Minus 1 by 2 is your answer. Minus 1 by 2 is your answer. Next, second second bit. So prove that second bit, prove that 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3. It is equal to 3 by 2. Second question in 3.3, 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. So take that LHS value. So that summation it is equal to 3 by 2 you are going to prove. So substitute the values. So 2 sine square. So pi means 180 degrees divided by 6 plus cosecant square. So this value 7 into 180 degrees divided by 6. So cos square 180 degrees divided by 3. 2 into sine square 180 by 6 is how much? 30 degrees plus cosecant square it is 6 30s, so 210 degrees into cos square 180 by 3 60 degrees. Now 2 sine 30 degrees value 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant square. So 210 degrees means it can be written as based on standard angle. So you have to change the value. So 210 degrees means your nearest standard angle is 180. So 210 means the angle belongs to third quadrant. In third quadrant aligned angles means what? 180 plus 270 minus. So you have to change 210 means 180 plus 30 degrees. Otherwise you can change 270 minus 60. So that is your choice. So I took here 180 plus 30 into cos square 60 means 1 by 2 whole square. So cos 60 means 1 by 2 whole square. So next 2 into 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus cosecant 180 means the sign is as it is. So 180 means a trigonometric function does not changes. In that third quadrant cosecant is negative. So minus 30 minus 30. Square you write as it is. Square you write as it is. Into 1 by next term. This is simplified here 1 by 2. Next one is cosecant 30 degrees value 2. So minus 2 whole square. So minus 2 whole square into 1 by 4. Minus 2 whole square into 1 by 4. Again you simplify 1 by 2 plus here minus 2 whole square is 4. So 4 get cancelled. Remaining 1. Remaining 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 1 by 2 1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. That is our second solution. That is our second solution. Next third one, prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 it is equal to 6. it is equal to 6 you are going to prove. Same model questions. So take that LHS value. So LHS equal to cot square. So 180 degrees divided by 6. Where pi is there you substitute 180. Plus cosecant 5 into 180 degrees divided by 6. Plus 3 tan square 180 degrees divided by 6. Now here simplified, what is the value? Cot square 30 degrees plus cosecant, this is 30 divided means 30 into 5, 150 degrees plus 3 tan square 30 degrees. 3 tan square 30 degrees. Now cot 30 degrees value, you see the table, cot 30 degrees value how much? Root 3 square right as it is. Cot 30 degrees value root 3 square right as it is. You see the values table always, you see always. So again cosecant, so 150 degrees you don't have value, so that's why that 150 degrees you can be written as sum of standard angle. Sum of standard angle. Standard angles means what? 90, 180. So this is I will write 180 degrees minus 30. 180 degrees minus 30 is nothing but 150 degrees plus 3 into tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3 square right as it is. 1 by root 3 square right as it is. Now root 3 whole square is 3 plus cosecant 180 minus theta. Cosecant 180 minus theta. So it belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant cosecant is positive. So cosecant 30 degrees. So you write beside that formula. Cosecant 180 degrees minus theta equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant 180 degrees minus theta equal to cosecant theta plus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by 3. So 3 plus cosecant 30 degrees value 2 plus, so 3 get cancelled, remaining 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6 is your answer. 6 is your answer. Next one, fourth one, prove that 2 sine square 3 pi by 4, 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3, it is equal to 10. You do this problem homework. You do this problem homework. Same like that you have to do one more homework problem also. Fifth one, prove that 3 sine pi by 6 into secant pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4, it is equal to 1 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4 equal to 1. So you have to prove these two values. Similarly, you have to practice these two questions. Next, in that exercise, second main. So fifth problem in that exercise. So this is example one. This is example problem also you have to simplify. So this is the exercise problem. This is example problem. These two problems solve. Next one, fifth question. In fifth question, find the values of first one sine 75 degrees, second one tan 15 degrees, sine 75 degrees, tan 15 degrees, already we completed in last class, right? Next question, sixth one, prove the following. Sixth question, cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y, it is equal to sin of x plus y. So you prove this value, it is equal to sin of x plus y. It is very simple problem. It is very simple problem. You take that LHS value. So here this value you consider. Here angles you observe left hand side LHS value cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. So you observe in LHS side how many angles? We have two angles. One is pi by 4 x, another one is pi by 4 y. Suppose this is considered capital X, this is you consider capital Y. So what happens? You see cos x, cos y, sin x, sin y. So cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y. What is that formula? Cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y, that formula. So x means pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. So that formula is cos of x, cos of y minus sin of x, sin of y equal to cos of x plus y. So you have to compare that formula. So now cos of pi by 4 means 45. So pi by 4 means 45. So both are added 90 degrees. So minus x, so minus is common. Minus of x plus y. Then again you apply cos of 90 degrees minus theta. Cos of 90 degrees minus theta formula sin theta. So this is the form of cos of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta means what? Sin theta. So sin theta value is what? X plus y. Sine is what? Sine of theta value is x plus y. So, and that is our proof. That is our proof. Understand? Note down fast. That is our proof. Next, seventh question. Seventh question. Tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x, it is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. It is whole square. Tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x, it is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. So see this problem. Take that LHS value. So take that LHS value is what here? Tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. Now see numerator value, pi by 4 means how much that value? Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. So this is the formula for tan A x plus y formation. Tan x plus y formation. So you apply tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So again whole divided by this value also. This value also tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So we applied numerator and denominator. Tan x plus y formula, tan x minus y formula are distributed. And now see that simplification. So tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 plus tan x divided by, so 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 into tan x means 1 minus tan x. Whole divided by tan pi by 4 value is 1 minus tan x divided by, so this is 1, tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan x, so this is remaining. So therefore tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x, it is equal to, so now you have to simplify this, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. So that is one fraction. So this is one fraction. So downside also one fraction is there. So this fraction you bringing into numerator means, so melikandre this fraction becomes reverse. That fraction becomes reverse. So what happens? 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. So answer will be 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square. So divided by 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x whole square, 1 minus tan x whole square. So numerator value is 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square, 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x whole square. So note down fast. Next one, eighth question. Eighth one. Cos pi plus x, cos pi minus x divided by sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x, it is equal to cot square x. It is equal to cot square x. It is equal to cot square x. So here pi plus x. So x is nothing but you have to consider theta. So pi means 180 degrees. You substitute there. So take LHS value. So cos of 180 degrees plus x. Next cos of minus x. Cos of minus x. You see all of you allied angles, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So many formulas given. You see those formulas now. Divided by, so sin of pi means 180 degrees minus x into cos pi by 2 means 90 degrees plus x. Now see all of you. So in third quadrant you see cos of 180 plus x. 180 plus means cos is lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant which are positive, tan cot only. So cos is negative. Cos is negative. So 180 means cos write as it is. So cos x. So answer is cos 180 plus x means minus cos x. Beside I will write the formulas cos 180 degrees plus theta equal to minus cos theta. So each formula I will write beside of that. So answer is minus cos x into cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta means cos theta answer. So this is also cos of minus x means cos x whole divided by. Next it is the form of sin 180 degrees minus theta means sin theta. Formula you see. In second quadrant sin is positive. 180 means sin becomes sin only. So here this value sin x into. Next cos of 90 degrees plus theta. So 90 plus means it belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. Cos is negative. So 90 iದ್ರೆ cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. So now cos of 90 plus x means minus sin x. Okay na? So each one beside you write, I write formulas. So you have to verify and substitute. So simplification. So minus cos x into minus cos x, minus get cancelled. Remaining cos x into cos x, cos square x divided by sin x into sin x, sin square x. So cos by sin means it is nothing but cot square x. The solution is cot square x. The solution is cot square x. Solution is cot square x. So each one formula beside I was written, you have to verify and read. Number of times you have to practice. Then only you can understand. Next one. Ninth one, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x, bracket of cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. It is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. It is equal to 1 you are going to prove. It is equal to 1 you are going to prove. So take that LHS value. So cos 3 pi by 2 means so pi by 2 value 90. So 90 into 3, 270 degrees. So cos 270 degrees plus x. Next cos, so 2 pi means 360 degrees. So 360 degrees plus x. Now bracket cot 3 pi by 2 means 270 degrees minus x plus cot, so 2 pi means 360 degrees plus x. So this was given. So radian angle converted into degrees. So cos 270 plus theta. So 270 means it lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. Here 270 means trigonometric function cos is changed into sine. So plus sin x into, so cos 360 plus means as it is you write. So cos x, that should be cos x only. That should be cos x only. Bracket. Here cot 270 minus x. 270 minus means it belongs to third quadrant. In third quadrant cot is positive. Okay, right. So cot is positive. 270 means cot becomes tan. So this is tan x. This is tan x, right? Plus next cot 360 plus as it is cot x only. That is cot x only. So 360 plus means it belongs to first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. 360 means cot is cot, tan is tan, cot is secant, cosecant is cosecant, like this. So that's why cot x. Now this is sin x into cos x. Next inside the bracket tan x means you converted sin x by cos x plus, so cot means cos x divided by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x. Now simplify. So sin x into cos x. So bracket of, so what is the LCM here? Sin x into cos x. What is the LCM? Sin x into cos x. Then cross multiply. Sin into sin, sin square x plus cos into cos, cos square x. Sin into sin square x, cos into cos square x. Now see simplification. Sin x. So cos x will be cancelled. So you know that sin square x plus cos square x is 1 only. Sin square x plus cos square x value is 1 only. Your answer is 1. 1 is proved. You are going to prove 1. 1 is proved. Understand? Note down fast. Note down fast. Right, next one. 10th one, sine of n plus 1 of x into sine of n plus 2 of x plus cos of n plus 1 of x. Next one, cos of n plus 2 of x, it is equal to cos x. It is equal to cos x. It is equal to cos x. We are going to prove. Very simple question. Very simple question. Take that LHS value. Sine. So first you write cos values. First I will take cos values. Cos. This is first value seen. X is multiplied. Nx plus x into cos. Here x is multiplied. Nx plus 2x plus. So first I took cos values. Next I will write sine values. Sine of nx plus x into sine of nx plus 2x. Nx plus 2x. Very simple question. Listen. Very simple question. Cos of nx plus x, cos of nx plus 2x, sine of nx plus x, sine of nx plus 2x. See, we have formula cos x, cos y. This is sine x, sine y. So what is the formula? Cos x, cos y plus sine x, sine y. Then what is the formula? Cos of x minus y. X minus y. So x is equal to what here? Nx plus x minus nx plus 2x. Nx plus 2x. See here, right? Cos of x minus y. X means actual x is what here? Nx plus x minus of nx plus 2x. See, cos of nx plus x minus is multiplied, minus nx minus 2x. Now simplify, cos of, so plus nx minus nx cancel. X minus 2x means minus x. So generally cos of minus x means this belongs to minus x belongs to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. So cos is positive means, so this solution is cos x only. Cos is positive, that's why cos inside any negative value is there, that value should be positive. So cos x is your solution. Cos x is your solution. Note down fast. Note down fast. Next one more question, 11th one. 11th one. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x, it is equal to minus root 2 sin x, minus root 2 sin x. This one LHS value, you observe LHS value cos x minus y cos x, sorry, cos x plus y cos x minus y. You know that formula. So here x means x only, y means 3 pi by 4. So you don't write that values. Okay, you don't write pi is equal to 180 and substitute, not required that simplifications. Okay, that procedure also correct. That procedure also correct. You can solve in two methods. You can solve in two methods, right? See this one. First take LHS value. So apply cos x plus y formula. So cos 3 pi by 4 cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x. Okay, that is first expansion. That is first expansion. Next you take minus, you write same formula for cos x minus y. So this is x minus y formula applied. So cos 3 pi by 4 cos x. So minus is multiplied. So in formula minus will come. So this is also minus will come. So cos x minus formula between plus is there. So minus is multiplied. Minus comes here. So minus comes here. So that value minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x. So this is negative, this is positive. So both should be cancelled. Cos 3 pi by 4 cos x minus cos 3 pi by 4 cos x. Both will be cancelled. Remaining these two. So minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Both are added. Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. 3 pi by 4 into sin x. So minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 means what? 135 degrees. So simplified. So 135 degrees into sin x. So again minus 2 sin 135 can be written as 180 degrees minus 45 degrees into sin x. So sin 180 minus 45 andre no, it lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So 180 means the trigonometric function does not changes. So you take minus 2 into sin 45 degrees minus 2 into this value sin 45 degrees into sin x. So minus 2 into sin 45 is what? 1 by root. It is into sin x. So here 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. So root 2 is simplified. In the numerator remaining root 2. So answer is minus root 2 sin x. 2 by root 2 means that is root 2. 2 by root 2 means that is root 2. Correct? Then we simplified minus root 2 into sin x. Correct? So we have to complete these questions. So related problems, some homework problems I will give. You have to simplify. Related problems. Related problems I will give. You have to simplify. So do one homework problem. Prove that homework 1. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x equal to root 2 cos x. Root 2 cos x. Okay na? You do this one only homework. Only one problem. This one you do homework. So cos x plus y, cos x minus y. You apply formula, then simplified, will get the solution very easily. Will get the solution very easily. Only 2 steps. Same as it is procedure. Same as it is procedure for previous problem. So you have to complete this one. Okay, students. Thank you all. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಓದಲೇಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.